To service the doors to suit the hinge system your carcass manufacturer has designated is a simple process. To start, you need one door from your carcass supplier like IKEA, Howden, Wren or Wix. Place the Craig template onto the sample door and determine the location of the drill hole from the top edge and side edge of the door. With the Craig template, you can then transfer the location to all the doors you need to service. Typically, kitchen doors are 18mm thick, and the Laminate and Ply doors finish 20mm, so you don't need to alter the depth of the drill holes. 15mm is fine for a drill depth. Pilot drill for secondary fixings. Drill out the secondary fixings to the correct size. Once the door is serviced, simply clip or screw the hinge into position and you can move on to swinging the kitchen doors.